Do you want to find trending sounds on TikTok before they go viral? You can easily spot breakout audio early using TikTok's search tools and the Creative Center. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To find trending sounds on TikTok before they peak. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap the search icon in the top right corner and type trending sounds or viral audio. Switch to the Sounds tab at the top of the search results. Look for audio tracks that carry a popular tag but still have a relatively low total video count. When you find a track, click on it to view all the video made using that sound. Now you can start recording video or save it to your favorites on TikTok and create your video right away while the trend momentum is still fresh.